Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 249 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I have this new LA Colors Shimmer Eyeliner to try out, and I have this in the shade Navy Flash, and this is one of the new makeup products that I found at the Dollar Tree when I went there recently. LA Colors is a cruelty-free brand, and I'm pretty sure my Dollar Tree had a variety of colors in this shimmery eyeshadow. And I'm really excited to try it out. It's a little different on a typical eyeliner, but I do tend to really like the LA Colors eyeliners, so when I saw that they had a shimmery version, I definitely wanted to pick it up because I love a little sparkle. Oh, and of course, this is only $1 since I got it at the Dollar Tree. I can't tell if the pencil just ends here because then there's this like stick, kind of like a handle, I guess, to hold it. But it is just a typical pencil that you need to sharpen. I'm gonna go ahead and see how it writes. So this is supposed to be navy, and from how it looks in like the pencil form, I was expecting it to be dark, but this is more like a royal blue. This is kind of bright. I'm not even seeing shimmer. It looks like it just has like actual glitter particles that are blue, but not many glitter particles. I see like in this swatch here like one glitter flake, so it's actually not very shimmery. So far I'm not super impressed because the color is not what I expected and it's not as shimmery as I was expecting either. I am going to start out by lining my upper lash line. Okay, so that's applied, and it really was kind of painful to apply actually. It doesn't glide on very smooth. It's actually kind of hard to write with. Felt kind of like stabbing my eye. It's not super pigmented either. I went over it a bunch of times and I feel like it doesn't have like full color, and it is just more of that lighter blue rather than navy, and that's even after going over it a few times. And I also am not noticing any shimmer to this. If I didn't know that this was called a shimmer eyeliner, I would not think that it was sparkly at all. And I personally love when you can see so much shimmer and glitter to the eyeliner, so that's what I was expecting and hoping for. But no, this is more just like a simple blue eyeliner pencil. I'll just go ahead and finish up by adding it to my lower lash line. We'll see how that looks. Okay, so here's the final look. I'm not sure if the camera is even capturing how bright this really is. I mean, it looks pretty, it looks enhancing to the eye, but to me, it's not super wearable. It's definitely a pop of color and a noticeable blue. So I was hoping that this would be a pretty dark navy that had some nice sparkle to it so that it could be a fun twist on a typical black eyeliner that I would use to line both my upper and lower lash line. But no, that's not what this is. This is more just a fun blue eyeliner. If you wanted to go for a blue look, I think that this is a great, inexpensive option for a blue eyeliner that's a true blue. But for an everyday eyeliner, this is not what I'm going to be reaching for. And I mean, for $1, I think that this is a fine formula. Sure, it didn't apply super easily and nicely, but for $1, I do think it's worth the money, and I will use this again if I want a blue eyeliner look, but definitely not something that I'm super excited about and that I want to go buy in other colors. But since I did not get what I was expecting from this product, I'd love to know in the comments down below if you have any recommendations for good navy eyeliners, especially even ones that have some shimmer, but don't necessarily need that, but I'd just love to know what your favorite navy eyeliners are. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.